Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Oculus. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the MetaQuest Oculus application on your device. And once you open it up, you will see the continue with Facebook as well as Instagram option. And you will also see the option to continue with your email address. You can choose whichever option you wish to sign up for your account. If you choose the third option, you will be taken into a separate web page where you will be asked to enter your email address. Just type in your preferred email address for your new account and then tap on the next button. Then tap on Create New Account and you will be asked to enter your name. After typing in your name, tap on the next button and then enter your date of birth as well. Then tap on Next and you will be allowed to set up your password. Type in your desired password for your account and tap on the next button. You can now verify your account information and tap on Create Account. You will now be asked to enter the confirmation code that has been sent to your email that you entered. Just type in this confirmation code and tap on the Continue button by checking your inbox and then tap on Next to start creating your profile and setting up your username. Make sure you choose your name carefully because you are only allowed to change your username once every 6 months. After entering your desired name, tap on the next button. And once you set up your profile and username, you will be logged into your newly created account on MetaQuest Oculus. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on MetaQuest Oculus. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.